Now we'll see the next question. We'll see the next question of sales book. Record the following transaction in the sales book of Messrs. Ajanta Electronics, Ranchi, Jharkhand, assuming CGST at the rate of 9% and SGST at the rate of 9%. So the seller is Messrs. Ajanta Electronics. So we are going to prepare the sales book of Ajanta Electronics. Messrs. Ajanta Electronics sales book. We are going to prepare the sales book of Messrs. Ajanta Electronics. Ajanta Electronics. Ajanta Electronics. Okay. And this Ajanta Electronics is of Ranchi, Jharkhand. Okay, Jharkhand. The first transaction is sold to Vandana Electronics, Kolkata, West Bengal. So sold to West Bengal, it says sold to Vandana Electronics of Kolkata. It's a interstate, Jharkhand to West Bengal. So here we will calculate the IGST, output IGST. So year is 2018 is the year and the date is March 1st. This is the date, March 1st. 1st March. The name of the customer is Vandana Electronics. Kolkata. Address is Kolkata, West Bengal. It's a West Bengal. Okay. So it's a interstate. So by name it is clear, Ajanta Electronics. So electronics item will be the goods. So 50, first one which is sold is 50 musical arm, musical or alarm clock at the rate of alarm clocks at the rate of rupees 800 each. And second one which is sold 40 wall clock at the rate of rupees 500 each. These two. Okay. So 50 into 800, 000 40,000, and 500 into 40, it is 20,000. 500 into 40, 20,000. So total is 60 less trade discount is 20% trade discount, 20% trade discount. So 20% of this 60,000, 20% of this amount, 20% of 60,000, it is 12,000. 12,000, 20% of 60,000, 12,000. This will be deducted, trade discount, directly from the bill. So 008, 48,000. And thereafter we will add GST. Here the output IGST will be applied because it's a interstate sale, interstate, Jharkhand and West Bengal, interstate. So IGST, here the IGST will be calculated. So IGST is at the rate of, both will be clubbed, CGST rate and SGST rate will be clubbed, both 9% plus 9%, CGST and IGST. So this will be 18%. So we'll take 18%. So 48,000 into 18%, 18% of 48,000. So 8,640, 8,640. This will be added. This will, we will add this figure. So 04665, 56,640. So this will be 48,000. We will write in the sales column. There is no output CGST, not output SGST, but here integrated, output integrated IGST is 8,640. So total is 56,640. So this is completed. This one is completed. This transaction is completed. That's why I have blocked it. Now next transaction is on March 10. Sold to Mohan Watch Company, Patna, Bihar. Patna, Bihar is also here. In the March 1st, the invoice number has given 1,255 is the invoice number as mentioned in the March 1. Sold to Vandana Electronics, Kolkata, West Bengal, void invoice number 1,255. So I have written this number in the invoice column. Second one is sold to Mohan Watch Company, Patna, Bihar. It's also interstate, Jharkhand to Bihar. So this will also come on March 10. March 10. The name of the party is Mohan Watch, Messrs. Mohan. Always write Messrs before the name. Mohan. Okay, always write Messrs. Messrs. Mohan Watch Company, Watch Company, and this company is of, this company is in Patna, Bihar. So it's a interstate sale, Jharkhand to Bihar, Jharkhand to Bihar. So the first item, only one item is sold, 25 deluxe wall clocks at the rate of rupees 800 each. So total will be how much? 25 into 800, 25 into 800. So it is 20,000. 20,000, 2,500, 25 into 800. Less trade discount is, you deduct the trade discount, less 10% trade discount, 10% trade discount, 10% trade discount. So 10% is 2000, 10% of 20,000, it's 2000. Now it is 18. Now we'll calculate output IGST as it is interstate sale, one state to another state, from Jharkhand to Bihar. So output IGST will be calculated at the rate of 18%. Both 9 plus 9, 18. Okay. So 18% of 18,000, 18% of this amount, 18% of 18,000. So 3,240. 3,240. So total is 21,240. I'm going to block this space. Now we'll write 18,000 over here, 18,000 here, dash dash, and 3,240 in the output IGST, and total is 21,240, this total. Now next is sold to Superior Watch Company Ranchi void. Here in the March 10, the invoice number is also mentioned, 1,256. Okay. Now come to the March 15, sold to Superior Watch Company Ranchi void, invoice number 1,257. Okay. So it's a within the same state, intra-state, Ranchi, Jharkhand, and it's also Jharkhand. So Jharkhand to Jharkhand. So same state. So we'll calculate the intra-state, means we will calculate the output CGST and output SGST in this here. So on March 15, the supplier customer name is Superior Watch Company Ranchi, Jharkhand. Okay, Jharkhand. Invoice number is 1,257. I have written first. First one is 75 deluxe wall clocks at the rate of rupees 800 each, and second one is 40 super deluxe wall clocks at the rate of rupees 1,000 each. So 75 into 800, 75 into 800, it is 60,000. 75 into 800. So it is 60,000, and second one is 40 into 1,000, 40 into 1,000, so it is 40,000. So total is 1 lakh. Less trade discount over here is 15% trade discount. 15% trade discount. So we'll calculate the trade discount at the rate of 15% of which amount? 1 lakh. So 15% of 1 lakh is 15,000. 1 lakh into 15 by 100. So this is 85,000 after deduction of trade discount. Now we will add output CGST at the rate of 9% and output SGST at the rate of 9%. So 9% of 85,000, 9% of 85,000, 9% of 85,000. $7,650 both are at the rate of 9%, CGST and IGST, CGST and SGST. So total is 003,9 02 1,300,000. 1,300,000. Now we'll write 85,000 over here, 85,000, this amount in the sales, this amount will be in the output CGST, this amount will be in the output SGST, there is no integrated GST, and the total is 1,300,000. Now we'll do the total at last. We'll do the total at last. The last transaction is on March 20. Sold to Modern Electronics Ranchi void cash memo. Number this. It means cash memo is given. It means it's a cash sales. And when it is a cash sales, this will not be recorded in sales book. This will be recorded in the cash book. Okay. So this transaction will not be recorded in the sales book. This will be recorded in the cash book. So now we'll do the total over here. Now we'll do the total over here. Okay. This one is completed. This total is now completed. After that, total. This total is 0, 0, 0. 8 or 8, 16, 16 or 5, 21, 2, 6, 7 or 8, 15, 1,51,000, and here it is 7,650, 7,650, and here it is 0, 8, 8, 11, 11,880, and here the total is 0, 8, 8, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 7, 8, 7, 1, 1,78,180. The end of the month is March 31st. So we'll do the total on this date. So this is the format of a sales book, and we will record here only the goods which was sold on credit. Under the bracket, you memorize this thing, remember this thing all the time. In sales book we record the transactions, the goods which was sold on credit, goods in which the business deal. Similarly, in the purchase book, what we have discussed, we will record in the purchase book goods which was purchased on credit. If the goods is purchased on credit, then will be recorded in the purchase book. If the goods is sold on credit, then will be recorded in the sales book. So purchase book and sales book is completed. Now we'll see the purchase return and sales return. Okay. In ledger, we'll do the posting from here in the ledger. In the ledger of Bandhana Electronics Kolkata, this will be debited. Which side will post? Debit side. In the name of Bandhana Electronics Kolkata account, when we'll open this account, this entry will be posted in the debit side, okay, in the debit side. Mohan Watch Company debit side, Superior Watch Company debit side of the customer account, okay, and total this will be in the sales account credit side, sales account credit side. This will be in the output CGST credit side, output SGST credit side, output IGST credit side, okay, and this total will be the with the name of the party, okay. You remember the journal entry, this will be debited with this name. Bandhana Electronics Kolkata will be debited to sales account, to output IGST. Remember in journal entry. So sales account is credit, output IGST is credit, and the Bandhana Electronics will be debited by this amount, this total amount. So while posting it, we'll post in the credit side of sales account this one. The total will be posted at a time. Total will be posted in the sales account 1,51,000. This will be posted in the IGST account, sorry, output CGST account credit, output SGST account credit, output IGST account credit. Credit side this will be posted, okay. Now come to the next account, purchase return account. Come to the next account, name of that account is purchase return. As I discussed you earlier as well, in the purchase return we record those transactions, especially the goods which was purchased on credit, if the same goods is returned by us. The goods which was purchased on credit, if the same goods is returned to the supplier, then this will be recorded in the purchase return book. This is also called return outward book, okay, return outward book. When we return the goods, you know that we issue the debit note. We issue the debit note to the supplier, mentioning that your account is debited in my ledger, in my books of account, your account is now debited. When we return the goods, with the goods we send the debit note. This indicates that the supplier's account is debited in our books of account. So debit note is issued. Debit note is also issued when goods are, total of the invoice are less, total is undercast, total of the invoice is undercasted, then also the debit note is issued. Some of the items which is not mentioned in the invoice, it omitted, then also we issue the debit note, okay. So debit note is issued to supplier, okay. Now this is the format of purchase return book. Date, name of the supplier, account to be debited. When we return the goods to the supplier, supplier name is debit and purchase return account will be credited. So the account to be debited means at the time of purchase return, supplier's account will be debited. Here we have to write debit note number, ledger folio details, purchase return. This is the column of purchase return, input CGST, input SGST, input IGST and total. At the time of purchase return, you know the input CGST, input IGST or input SGST account is credited. At the time of purchase it is debited, and at the time of purchase return the same account is credited, okay. So start with this question. We are going to solve one question related to purchase return book. So which type of transaction is recorded in purchase return books? The goods which was purchased on credit, if the same goods is returned due to any reason, the goods is defective, goods is not as per sample, goods price of the goods is overcharged, goods supplied or goods delivered in late. So whatever the reasons may be, the goods may be returned. Okay, so if the goods is returned which was purchased on credit will be recorded in the purchase return book, which is also known as return outward book. So the first transaction is the question is write up the return outward book of Malhotra and Company. Return outward book means purchase return book. Here it is mentioned return outward book. So write the outward book. Outward book or return book is same. Purchase return book you can say, or return outward book. This is outward book of, whose outward book? Outward book of Malhotra and Company. Malhotra and Company, Bhiwani, Haryana. Malhotra and Company, Haryana. Okay, Malhotra and Company, Haryana. So from the following transaction, assuming CGST and SGST both is at the rate of 6%. So write up the return outward book of Malhotra and Company, Bhiwani from the following transaction, assuming CGST and IGST at the rate of 6%. The date is 2017, year 2017, August 4. Return to Swarsati House, Bhiwani. Return to Swarsati House, Bhiwani. Okay, what we are returning 25 chairs, 25 chairs at the rate of rupees 1800, at the rate of rupees 1800 per chair. The reason is given over here, not specified quality. Reason of return is not as per specified quality, the quality which was mentioned at the time of order of goods. Okay, this is the reason of return. So 25 into 1800, 25 into 1800, it is 45,000. Okay, 45,000. It is 45,000. Trade discount over here is trade discount. Deduct the trade discount. There is only one item, 25 chairs. This is the name of the supplier. Less trade discount was 10% trade discount. Trade discount 10% trade discount, or we can write it trade discount at the rate of 10%. So 10% of 45,000 is 4,500. Now it is after deduction, it is 40,500. So return to Swarsati House, Bhiwani, and the Malhotra and Company is also from Bhiwani and return to Bhiwani. So it is a intra-state. So here CGST will be calculated. Add input CGST at the rate of 6% and input SGST at the rate of 6%. So 6% of this 40,500. 6% of 40,500. So 2,430 and 2,430. Okay. So total is 45,360. So we will write over here like this: 40,500 here in the purchase return column, in the input 2,430 input CGST, input SGST 2,430, and total is 45,360. This transaction is completed. So I blocked this area. Now next is on August 12. Send back one dining table to Navneet Enterprise, Karnal, Haryana. So it's a intra-state, within the same state. So the name of the supplier is Navneet Enterprise, okay, Karnal, Haryana. So what he is returning? He is returning 20 chair not being polished at the rate of rupees 10,000. One dining table, number one dining table at the rate of rupees 10,000, and second one 20 chairs at the rate of rupees 2,000 each. So one dining table at the rate of 10,000, so 10,000, and 20 chairs at the rate of 2,000 each, so it is 40,000. 20,000, 20 into 2,000. Okay, 20 into 2,000. Reason of return has mentioned over here, not being polished, means furniture was not polished well. That is the reason of returning goods. So 50,000 is the total. No trade discount is mentioned over here in this. So we'll add input CGST because it's a intra-state at the rate of 6%, and input SGST at the rate of 6%. It's a reverse entry. At the time of purchase, we debit the input CGST and input SGST, but at the time of return of the same goods, we'll credit the input CGST and input SGST. It's a reverse treatment. So 50,000 into 6%. 50,000 into 6%. So it is 3,000 and 3,000 respectively. 6% CGST and 6% SGST. So it is 56,000. So 50,000 will be in the purchase return. This one, 3,000 will be in the input CGST, 3,000 will be in the input SGST, and total is 56,000. This transaction is completed. Now I blocked it. Next is on August 20, return to Yadav and Company, Messrs. Yadav and Company of where? Patiala. It's a Punjab, interstate. It's a interstate. Now Haryana to Punjab, interstate. So we'll calculate the IGST. Okay, we'll calculate IGST over here. We'll calculate IGST. Okay. So what he has returned? Number one, he has returned 20 chairs to him, 20 chairs to him at the rate of rupees 1500 each. Okay. Second one is two dressing tables at the rate of rupees 7500 each. Two things are returned. So 20 into 1500, 20 into 1500, it is 30,000. 20 into 1500, 30,000, and 7500 into 2, it is 15,000. So total is 45,000. Okay. Now you add over here CGST inputs, IGST will be calculated over here. Input IGST at the rate of 12%. Both percentage will be club, 6 plus 6, 12% will be now IGST. So 12% of 45,000, 12% of 45,000. So it is 12% of 45,000, 5,400. 5,400 you add it. So 00405, 50,400. So you write it over here 45,000, this amount in the purchase return column, here dash, and here 5,400 in the input IGST. Total is 50,400. Now next is, now I'm going to block this area. Okay, next is on 28. Allowances claimed for Navneet from Navneet Enterprise has claimed the allowance. What allowance he has claimed? From Navneet Enterprise, allowance claimed from Navneet Enterprise, Ludhiana, okay, Punjab, on account of mistake in invoice. So there is a mistake in invoice, in addition mistake in invoice, totaling mistake in invoice. It is undercast by 5,000. It is undercasted. So when it is undercasted or totaling mistake or not included in the list of invoice, then we also issue the debit note. Okay, we also issue the debit note. So Navneet Enterprise, name of the enterprise is Navneet Enterprise, Navneet Enterprise. They have returned nothing. They have returned nothing, but they are claiming because it is undercasted. It's a Punjab. It's a interstate. Okay. So 5,000. Mistake in 5,000. So mistake is how much? 5,000. So mistake, I am writing the reason for here. Mistake in invoice. Okay, mistake in invoice. 5,000. As it is interstate, so you add what you will add? Integrated output, integrated GST, because it's a interstate, at the rate of 12%. At the rate of 12%. Haryana to Punjab at the rate of 12%. So 12% of 5,000. 12% of 5,000. So it is 600. So 600 will be added. This will be 5,600. Now we'll write 5,000 over here, and in integrated IGST will write 600. So it is 5,600 in the total. Now finally at the end of the month we will do the total at the end of the month. Month is August. August end on 31st. On 31st August we will do the total of purchase return, input CGST, input SGST and input IGST. Sorry, not it is output but it is input. Input CGST, okay, IGST, input IGST. So we'll do the total over here. 0, 0, 0, 5, okay, 5, 5, 10, 1 carry, 5, 5, 10, 4, 1,40,500. Here it is 5,430. 5,430. Here it is 5,430. Here it is 6,000. Yes, 6,000. And here it is 0, 6, 3, 13, 1, 6, 6, 12, 12 or 5, 17, 1 carry, 10, 5, 1,57,360. 1,57,360. This is all about the purchase outward book, which is also known as purchase return book. And in this book only that entry will be recorded, specifically goods which was purchased on credit. If that goods is returned to the supplier, that will be recorded over here. Okay, that will be recorded over here. So same thing will be taken into account. Input CGST and input SGST or input IGST, here at the time of purchase return, this account is credited. This account is credited. So this will be posted in the credit side of input CGST. This will be posted in the credit side of input CGST, SGST, and this will be posted in the credit side of input IGST. And purchase return total will be posted in the debit side. Purchase return will be posted in the credit side of the purchase return account, and the supplier's name will be their account will be debited. Debit side of this account, this much will be posted. Debit side, supplier's account debit side, purchase return credit, input CGST credit, input SGST credit, and input IGST account will be credit. Okay, so return outward book is completed. Now next we'll discuss the sales return book.